Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the Plum Goodness Body Loving Deodorizing Fit Creams, and I've purchased these in two variants. The first one is the Hawaiian Rumba and the second one is the Vanilla Vibes. So if you want to know my reviews about these fit creams, then please continue watching this video. Deodorizing fit creams come inside this beautiful cardboard packaging, and these are what the inner packaging of the fit creams look like. I absolutely love the packaging of the fit creams and they look very pleasing to the eyes. They have got a super gorgeous packaging going on and I absolutely adore the packaging of these fit creams. So first let's talk about the Plum Body Loving Deodorizing Fit Cream in the Hawaiian Rumba variant. This smells like beaches and vacations, and this smells so fresh. I absolutely love the amazing fragrance of this fit cream. And the other variant, Vanilla Vibes, it smells like vanilla, and I love both the fragrances, the Hawaiian Rumba as well as the Vanilla Vibes variant. Now these do come with a separator which you can remove. These fit creams come with a spatula which always comes very handy in scooping out the creams, because every time if you have to dig your fingers inside this cream, then it becomes highly unhygienic. So I think they have done a very good job in providing a spatula so that you can scoop out the cream and apply it on your underarm area. Although whenever you scoop out the fit creams, you have to scoop out just the right amount, because a little of this product goes a long way. You have to apply a tiny quantity of this cream on your underarm area and you have to massage it using your fingers, and these smell so fresh all throughout the day. I absolutely love using these fit creams, and I think you should definitely try out these fit creams because first of all, the fragrance lasts the whole day. You can feel the freshness throughout the day, and these fit creams actually do not feel greasy on your underarm, and these fit creams are so lightweight that you're absolutely going to love using these fit creams because you do not feel as if you have applied anything on your underarm, and they have got a sort of balmy texture which melts on your underarm area very well, and you get a very thin layer of this cream sitting on your underarm area, but you're not going to feel that you have applied anything on your underarm. You are going to feel fresh the entire day. Both of them have such amazing fragrances that once you open the jar, you are absolutely going to fall in love with the fragrances of both these fit creams, and both these fit creams are quite affordable too. These fit creams retail for Rs 345 and you get 50 grams of the product, and these fit creams are going to last for a very long time as you have to just apply a tiny quantity of these fit creams. And I think I absolutely love everything about these fit creams, and I don't think there are any cons about this product. And if you're looking for a clean product that is 100% vegan, then I think you should definitely try out these creams. So far I've loved almost all the products that I've tried out from the brand Plum Goodness, and this has turned out to be an amazing product, and I'm definitely purchasing these in future as I'm absolutely in love with both of these fit creams. And you have to scoop out a tiny amount of this fit creams and apply it on your underarm area, and you make sure that your underarm area is clean and dry before you apply this cream. You are definitely going to feel fresh the entire day, and if you massage the cream properly on your underarm area, then it is not going to transfer on your clothes. I think now I'm going to only use these fit creams as compared to those deodorants which come in that spray form, and some of those deodorants do have alcohol in them which I dislike, but this is a very clean product. It is a clean, natural and a vegan product which I absolutely love, and I think I'm never going to stop using this fit cream because it has become one of my most favorite holy grail products, and I highly recommend this product to all of you. These fit creams do not contain aluminium, and they also are devoid of baking soda, so there is no toxic buildup, and you do get a superior sweat absorption because of the presence of ocean derived minerals that give you that smooth and a matte finish on your underarm area. And the fit creams contain the antibacterial green tea oil and the deodorizing kaolin that are helpful in tackling the odor causing bacteria. If you ask me which one is my favorite, the Hawaiian Rumba or the Vanilla Vibes, then honestly I'm unable to decide because I love both of them, and both of them smells so fresh. You just have to apply this bed creams once during the day after you've taken a bath, and the freshness is going to last the entire day, and you are absolutely going to love the amazing fragrance that these bed creams have, and they last you for a very long time, and they'll also mask your odor. And now I think I'm going to switch over to these bed creams. I'm not going to use the regular deodorizing sprays. So right now I'm switching to these bed creams, and I highly recommend these bed creams to all of you. And these bed creams do not give you any sort of white cast on your underarm area, so you're absolutely free from any sort of buildup on your underarm area. And this bed cream is not going to clog your pores, and it is also not going to darken your underarm area, and it is also not going to block your sweat glands. And the creamy texture of this cream melts gently on your underarm area, and you're absolutely going to love the texture of these bed creams. And these bed creams are free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and aluminium and silicones and animal derived ingredients. These are absolutely 100% vegan and cruelty free products. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.